Hey there, word wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we turn your word game from meh to marvelous. I'm Michael Ikpatsu, and today, I've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're diving into the world of Microsoft Word shortcuts. Let's get started. Combination 1, Ctrl+S, Save. This shortcut is used to quickly save your document. Simply press Ctrl and S simultaneously to save your progress. Combination 2, Ctrl+C, Copy. Use this shortcut to copy selected text or objects. First, select the text or object you want to copy, then press Ctrl and C simultaneously. Combination 3, Ctrl+X, Cut. This shortcut cuts the selected text or objects from your document. To use it, select the text or object you want to cut, then press Ctrl and X simultaneously. Combination 4, Ctrl+V, Paste. After copying or cutting text or objects, use this shortcut to paste them elsewhere in your document. Press Ctrl and V simultaneously to paste. 5, Ctrl+Z, Undo. If you make a mistake or want to revert to a previous state, use this shortcut to undo your last action. Press Ctrl and Z simultaneously to undo. Combination 6, Ctrl+Y, Redo. This shortcut is used to redo an action that you've just undone. Press Ctrl and Y simultaneously to redo. Combination 7, Ctrl+B, Bold. Apply bold formatting to selected text using this shortcut. Select the text you want to bold, then press Ctrl and B simultaneously. Combination 8, Ctrl+I, Italicize. Use this shortcut to italicize selected text. First, select the text you want to italicize, then press Ctrl and I simultaneously. Combination 9, Ctrl+U, Underline. Apply underline formatting to selected text using this shortcut. Select the text you want to underline, then press Ctrl and U simultaneously. Combination 10, Ctrl+A, Select All. Quickly select the entire document using this shortcut. Press Ctrl and A simultaneously to select all text and objects. Combination 11, Ctrl+F, Find. Use this shortcut to open the Find dialog box and search for specific text within your document. Press Ctrl and F simultaneously to open the Find dialog box. Combination 12, Ctrl+H, Replace. This shortcut opens the Replace dialog box, allowing you to find and replace specific text within your document. Press Ctrl and H simultaneously to open the Replace dialog box. Combination 13, Ctrl+N, New Document. Quickly open a new document with this shortcut. Press Ctrl and N simultaneously to open a new, blank document. Combination 14, Ctrl+O, Open Document. Use this shortcut to open an existing document. Press Ctrl and O simultaneously to open a dialog box where you can select the document you want to open. Combination 15, Ctrl+P, Print. This shortcut opens the Print dialog box, allowing you to print your document. Press Ctrl and P simultaneously to open the Print dialog box. And that's all there is to it, folks. You've learned 15 super useful shortcuts for Microsoft Word that'll make your work easier and faster. By using these shortcuts, you'll become a pro at handling documents in no time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your Word experience even better. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more awesome stuff.